The OtterBox Defender series offers all-around rugged protection. To install your phone, first remove the case from the belt clip holster. Being careful not to pull from any ports or plugs, separate the slipcover from the plastic shell. Now separate the shell. You might have to release some of the tension clips for the shell to separate. Next, place the phone in the shell back, making sure all the features line up. Firmly snap the shell back to the shell front and listen for the audible snap click. That lets you know your shell is installed correctly. Finally, put the slipcover back on and firmly seat all buttons and ports until they are properly aligned. Now that your case is installed, we recommend authenticating your fingerprint for the best experience with your Touch ID. The holster is designed for the phone to face in for maximum protection. It can also be used face out. The holster also doubles as a stand for your phone. Simply pull out on the belt clip until it locks into place. Now rotate the belt clip to the desired viewing angle. To release the belt clip, press down at the tab on the top. There you have it, the OtterBox Defender series.